SEMA 2023. We'd like to introduce to you our new wheel aligner. It's the X881 Pro.
I suggest that you go up to the launch booth and see what they can give you information-wise on this equipment.
We're here at AAPEX for our new Force Link. Probably the best bang for the buck in the automotive industry.
Us Mobile Plus, our second generation mobile stand. We cut the weight in half, down to about 45 pounds.
This is our AutoHD Pro due to us for this year. You can do automotive and heavy duty bidirectional functionality all on one tablet.
Our new Millenium Max scan tool, 7-inch Android tablet, has 31 special functions and is good for the do-it-yourself and professional technician.
Three-in-one radar stand. It's the only freestanding ACC plate stand.